Bear down! Bear down! Heck yeah, man! Woo! We're back at it, guys, hunting bears. We got Eddie Willie, buddy Jason, and our buddy Rob. Yeah. And Rob and Jason are up. They're gonna smash some bears, hopefully. We've seen some bears this morning. We're hiking in, try to relocate them, and flip a coin.
Yeah, the environment's not cooperating.
It's hot, dude. It's hot out here right now. We'll turn them back up. We'll get them on. We got a bear, guys. We got 3 bears. Yeah. Jason's up. Jason, go smash a bear. They're gonna guide us in. Ready, little stance. Jason and I bombed in here. I mean, rocked it in here. Got in here, dude, and these bears. They pulled the slip on us. They dumped down in this canyon. But we got 4 bears in here now. Jason just found a giant walking out. Dude, that was a big bear, bro.
Yeah, it was pretty big. He's good looking, dude.
Yeah, big old chocolate. So we're gonna have to reevaluate. We're gonna pull out here. That way we don't have our scent swirling in here and go get some food, reevaluate, and hopefully get in here in the evening. Smash one of these guys. We got a good 4 or 5 bears in here.
Yeah, I'll come back.
Yep. So we're gonna peel out, go back to camp.
So, spotted, what, 4 bears yesterday?
Yeah.
Gave them the evening off. Got a good pathway of where these bears are working. These ridges, consistent for the last 3 days. So we're gonna bomb into the country deep this morning and set up on the old bluff hill and see if we can't get these guys a bear or 2.
I think it's gonna happen.
Cut the distance down a lot. So
Jason and I were close yesterday.
That's it, man.
yeah, they were 1,700 yards away, really close.
From you.
No,
Not from
you guys did. You guys
not from us. It's
within every bit of 500 yards before you guys topped out.
Yeah.
Just bear was headed to the bed.
we're a little late, so this morning we got up at 3, bombed in here, and we're gonna go. It's time.
Oh,
Killing it.
Ready, boys?
oh yeah. Let's go put holes in things.
getting our butts handed to us.
Yeah.
We hiked all the way in this morning and no bears. And we had like 3-4 bears yesterday. Not one bear this morning. Hiking this stuff is no joke. Eddie and Jason, they peeled out. They went back the other way. Rob and I are trying to find another way down to this canyon. But it's a little rough.
We're the recon team.
We're the recon team. Scott.
They're the support team. They went back to get the trucks. And we have to recon this area.
That's it. And it's gotten hot, dude. It's like 10 o'clock and it feels like it's 100, but it's not.
The work makes it 100.
We're gonna push out of here, regroup, go back to our original glassing point tonight, and try to figure out where these bears went because they pulled a slip on us. See if we can't return them up. The bear bed. It's hanging out right here. Look at all that crap. Look at all this bear crap. Eating prickly pears. Oh, 2-point. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Heavy.
Yeah, it's got some weight to it.
Sweet. Older.
Be a good dog toy.
All right. Heck yeah.
Guys, this bear came out, dude. It's the last night he's out. Let me get the camera on for you. It's gonna be about a 650 yard shot. Jason's gonna dump this bear. Let's wait and see if he'll come on this side of the mountain. Because if you shoot there, he might go right over where he just came from, and that's nasty back there. Yeah, just get comfortable. Are you pretty comfortable? Yeah, you got your parallax. Got your dope. Yeah. Yeah. Whenever he stops broadside, feel free to take him. He's broadside whenever you're comfortable. He's turning. He's going to the left. Broadside, quarter towards you. Head on. Like 660. Quarter towards you right there. Yeah, if you're comfortable. Up, he's turning. Hold it. Like 650. Moving left. Go ahead.
Looks like he shot right underneath him. Yeah, he's coming out to the left. Running straight towards us. Don't worry about the range, just hold right at his feet, dude. Oh, looked like right underneath him. Coming towards us. It's okay, he doesn't know where the shot is at. Get another one in him. He's going down the bottom.
He's dead, right?
Yeah, he's dead. Bear down!
Bear down!
Heck yeah, man! Woo! Yeah. Bear down, guys. Bear down.
Tastes like victory.
600. Yeah, it was almost 700 yards the first shot, and we hit him. Hit him a little far back, and he tried to hit him a few more times running, and we're sitting here talking, going over footage, and he stepped out at what, 200?
250.
I didn't get that on video, and he hammered him hard. And then he ran down this bottom, and then we put, man, you put 2 more in him. Smoked him.
Tough bastard.
Smoked him, man. Ah. Ah. Yeah, he's out.
He gone.
He gone.
You want to poke him?
Yeah, poke him with the stick.
There you go, Jason.
Poke him with the stick.
You want to poke with the PID?
Boom, that's him, buddy.
He gone.
Hammered him.
Good job, buddy.
Look at that. Can you imagine getting hit by these things?
No.
No.
Dude, look at the claws on that thing.
Dude, they're long.
Congrats on your bear, brother.
Thanks, bro.
Guys, you didn't see it, but Rob dumped a bear the other day.
Oh, we did.
We didn't get on camera, but it was epic.
It was epic.
It fell off a bluff.
It
It fell off a bluff, man.
Epic hunt.
Epic hunt. So yeah, he got a nice boar, and then top it off, Jason with this nice bear right
Last
here.
day, evening of.
Evening of.
11th hour, baby.
Yeah, baby.
11th hour. So we're gonna get to cutting this baby up and get her off the mountain.
Yeah.
This is what we do.
Scale bluffs, kill
Dude,
bears.
for real. We get the biggest and best bears because we're willing to go to the baddest places.
That's it. All right, guys, wrapping it up. We just got camp cleaned up.
Yep.
Our boys, Rob, Jason, knocking down bears, man. It's been epic.
What a trip.
Amazing time.
What a
Amazing time. I couldn't ask for a better trip, guys.
That's a fact.
Could not
That
have
is a
asked
fact.
for a better trip.
Heck yeah,
Thank
man.
you so much.
Yep. You guys are amazing.
So
Thanks for carrying everything. I didn't have to do anything.
Yeah, we just stood there and watched.
Just
man.
watched it. It just
These
happened.
guys like pointed the bears out, and then they walked us in. We were like, dude, we can only shoot like 80 yards. They walked us in all the way in there on those bears, dude. They were like, oh my God. And they got us in there, though. They got us in there to 80 yards and we shot these things.
Yep.
Yep, that's what happened.
I clubbed
Everybody
mine.
said that
That's
when
right.
you're watching the video. 80 yards.
80 yards.
80 yards. Believe it.
Anyway, epic trick, man. So we're gonna head out of here. This is HunterFuel. Everybody, take care. Be safe. We're out.
Be good. So, we just made this trek up. And we had to make this trek up because I shot this little guy right here. Oh, hey, buddy. Hey, meow. With the help of this guy right here and Sizu Outfitters. That's what we're working with. He's big, dude.
It's a good bear, huh?
He's big.
Happy?
Very. Very.
Oh man.
Oh man, he lost his nose on the fall.
Did he really?
It's still hanging on, but it got. He's heavy, dude. His head is heavy.
Nice.